Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TurboTax for HSA deduction tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate TurboTax for HSA deduction tracking, start by launching the TurboTax application on your computer. Once the program is open, sign in using your account credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the option to create a new account and follow the prompts. After logging in, navigate to the Deductions and Credits section on the main dashboard. Look for the Healthcare category within the Deductions and Credits section. Click on Medical Expenses to expand this category. Next, you will see various options related to medical deductions and credits. Locate the subsection for Health Savings Accounts, abbreviated as HSA. Click on the option that mentions HSA contributions or deductions. If you've already made contributions to your HSA during the tax, if you haven't made contributions yet but plan to, consider referencing the IRS guidelines on contribution limits. After entering the contribution amount, TurboTax will automatically calculate any tax advantages related to your HSA. Review the information you've entered to ensure its accuracy and completeness. If you made contributions directly through your paycheck, you may also need to input these details. TurboTax allows you to track both employer and personal contributions. After all amounts are entered, click on Continue to move forward in the tax return process. Proceed through the remaining sections, ensuring to revisit the HSA section if necessary. Once you have completed all relevant sections, review your entire tax return for any errors or omissions. Finally, when you are confident everything is accurate, proceed to file your tax return. Your TurboTax setup for HSA deduction tracking is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.